red. 빨간색,
빨간색,
pink. 분홍색,
분홍색,
yellow, 노란색,
노란색, green, 초록색,
초록색,
blue, 파란색,
파란색, sky blue, 하늘색,
하늘색,
purple.
보라색,
보라색, black, 검은색,
검은색, white. 하얀색, 하얀색,
gray,
회색, 회색, brown, 갈색,
갈색, gold, 금색,
금색, silver, 은색,
은색, circle, one,
one, triangle, 삼각형,
삼각형, square, 사각형, 사각형,
rectangle, 직사각형, 직사각형,
diamond, 마름모,
마름모, star,
별, 별,
Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting language adventures. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family who are also eager to learn Korean. Your support helps us create more fun and educational content for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.